Changing your PayPal password is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and enter your current login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or wrench, and click on it to enter your account settings. Step 3. Select Security. In the Account Settings menu, find and select the Security option to access your security settings, including password management. Step 4. Change your password. Look for the option that says Change Password. Click on it, then enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You may need to log in again with your new password to confirm the update. Make sure to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for added security.